Expand 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square. So here give your answer in the form of a plus b root 2, where a and b are integers. Show you are working clearly. Fine. So here 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square. Clearly it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here I'll write a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in place of a, 5. In place of b, 3 root 2. A is 5 and 3 root 2. Now here 5 square is 25. 3 root 2 whole square. This square will come for 3 as well as root 2, like ab whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square. So 3 square is 9, root 2 whole square is 2. And here 2 into 5 into 3 root 2. So all rational parts like 2 times 5, 10, 10 times 3, 30. 30 root 2. So next step, 25 plus 18 plus 30 root 2. 25 plus 18 plus 30 root 2. 25 plus 8 is 33. So it is 43 plus 30 root 2. This is the answer. If we'll expand, we'll get 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square, we'll get 43 plus 30 root 2. Now the next one. See the same question, B part is here. 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square equals p plus q by root 8, where p and q are integers. So now see, if I'll compare, already I got the answer for 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square. I got 43 plus 30 root 2 equals, they gave here p plus q by root 8. Now see, if we'll compare 43, the value of p, they didn't ask in this question, but the value of p will be like 43, and the other part is q, irrational part. 30 root 2 equals q by root 8. So what I'll do here, q by root 8 equals 30 root 2. So now q equals 30 root 2 into root 8. So q equals 30 into irrational parts, we can multiply. Root 2 into root 8 is root 16. So q equals root 16 is 4. So the value of q is 120.